Okay, so my crown molding is separating from the caulking that was up here. So do not freak out. I'm going to tell you what it is. So actually what happens when the weather changes is that wood contracts and expands. So in the summertime, all those lines up there, they look great. So when the temperatures start to drop, that's when the wood starts to contract. And if you don't have a really good caulking on there, it's going to separate from the wall. So the stuff I'm using here is this Alex Flex. It has a 30-minute dry time and it has a lot of elasticity, so it'll move with that contraction and expansion of your trim, whether it's your molding or your baseboards. This stuff also will not show a sheen underneath the paint. So you can see there was a spot up there I showed you guys where it was really shiny where over the paint where the paint was. This won't leave that there. So this one's a really good caulking for when you're painting over it. All right, so just get yourself a putty knife to remove that caulking. I just kind of score it at the top and then across the bottom of the trim and then just scrape it. And we're just gonna run a bead of this caulking, pull your dry finger across, and then just pull the wet finger across. And when you're done with the caulking, make sure you put some painter's tape on there and it'll keep it fresh for a longer time. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and prime and paint the trim and go ahead and overlap it so it gets onto the wall, and then wait for that to dry, and then you're gonna come back and use the color of the wall to cut into the bottom and into the top of the ceiling. Now, if you wanna tape off for a perfectly clean line, wait for at least 24 hours. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.